everybody? Okay, it's that time of month again where we have Christmas from Epic. Right, if you go to Marketplace and you click on this banner, it'll give you the free assets for the month. Let's have a look what we got here, mates. Underwater 70 assets. Okay, looks like some sharks and stuff. Okay, more sharks, more stuff. Blue rays, whatever they called. More blue fish, bottles, whatever, jellyfish, alright. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. There's a video, obviously. Let me kill the sound. It's too loud, too loud. But okay, you can make some really cool underwater scenes. Yeah, okay. I mean, some cool assets that you can use and redo if you need to, just to make them maybe a little bit higher res. Make them look pretty damn cool for Unreal 5. Maybe it needs a little bit of work, but it's all there. Pretty cool. The next one that we got is this isometric world sky template, which looks pretty cool actually. There's some nice assets here, and it looks like one of these like top-down shooters or three-quarter views or whatever. Looks pretty cool. I mean, they're free, so use them. And you can see here, let me kill the sound again. But these are quite cool. I mean, if you're looking for this kind of graphics and create some cool worlds like this is pretty cool. Nice. Very cool. Look how he walks. Just jagged. But some nice assets that you can use for, if you're looking for this kind of stuff, then fantastic, fantastic. Once again, they're free. You can't complain about anything. They're completely free. So that's fantastic. The next one we're getting is Big Star Station Lumen. Alright, this one looks like something I could use. This I like. This is pretty cool. Some cool assets, some very nice things. Let's have a look there. Unreal 5 it says it is. Kill the sound again. This is nice. This is really cool. These are cool assets that I could use. Definitely. Yeah, if you're looking for some sci-fi kind of stuff, there we go. It's all there. It's all there. This is very nice. I like this one a lot. This is cool. We'll come back to this one. Then you get an endless random procedural worlds with level streaming. Stream endless as you move. Okay, so this kind of is pretty cool. It streams as you go on. This could be useful for those that want to do like endless runners or something. As you can see, it just carries on going forever and ever, and it's procedurally built, which is pretty cool. Yeah, okay. Pretty cool. Wow. There we go. Just carries on and on and on. This could be quite useful actually. That could be pretty. That's pretty useful. That's cool. Nice. And then we get this one, the Mediterranean rustic interior. This is beautiful, man. It's got such a crazy look to it. I like this. This I would use as well. This is like quite detailed assets. I like this a lot. This is nice. Very beautiful, very clean, isn't it? Yeah, quite realistic. I mean, you could add maybe a few layers of dirt to this. But if you're looking for something ridiculously clean, except the bricks, then this is for you. Once again, I mean, all of these are free. If you don't have them, get yourself an account. There's no catch. There's no catch. Get an account, put them all into your basket and buy them. Seriously, buy them. They're completely free, and you never know. If you don't even use Unreal yet, most of these, if they're not made by Epic, you can export them to other programs, whatever you want. Very easy to do if you know how, through Blender or something. And, I mean, you've got so many assets that you can use. One day you might be using Unreal. I mean, it's pretty much the future, I reckon. So, get these assets. They're free. They're awesome. Sign up to an account, put them all into your basket, and buy them. It'll cost you zero. And you're getting all of these, and they are worth a lot, man. You're saving a ton of cash on these things, which is great. Usually $76. Damn, that's expensive. Um, so, I mean, 76, 32, 76, 130? Holy shit. And $10. So you're saving a hell of a lot. Remember, just go to Epic, click the top banner, or go to free for the month. There we go. Free for the month, and you'll get this. They usually have one in permanently free, but it doesn't look like they've got one this month, which is fine. I mean, I can't believe they're still doing this after years and years. It's crazy. So get yourself a nice set of assets and learn how to use them. Okay, I hope this helps, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye, guys.